This video discusses the basic types of muscles and their functions. The muscular system is the complex network of muscles in our body that allows us to move, maintain posture, and perform all kinds of actions. It works in close coordination with our skeletal system and nervous system to enable all sorts of movement, from blinking our eyes to running a marathon. There are three main types of muscles in the human body: skeletal, cardiac, and smooth muscles. Skeletal muscle. Skeletal muscles are attached to bones by tendons and make up the bulk of our muscles. Skeletal muscle has a long cylindrical shape with multiple nuclei. It also has striation, which are alternating strips of dark and light zones due to unique arrangement of contractile proteins within the muscle cell. Skeletal muscle is voluntary, meaning we can consciously control its contractions to move our body parts. It allows us to perform actions like walking, running, jumping, and maintaining posture. Cardiac muscle. Cardiac muscle is exclusively found in the heart, forming the muscular walls of the chambers of the heart. Cardiac muscle is striated like skeletal muscle, but it has short branching fibers interconnected by a structure called intercalated discs. These discs allow for coordinated contractions of the heart as a unit. Cardiac muscle is involuntary, meaning we don't consciously control its contractions. It contracts rhythmically and tirelessly throughout our lives, ensuring continuous blood circulation. Smooth muscle. Smooth muscle is found in the walls of hollow organs such as the digestive tract, blood vessels, bladder, airways, and uterus. Unlike skeletal and cardiac muscle, smooth muscle is non-striated under a microscope. It consists of spindle-shaped fibers with a single nucleus each. Smooth muscle is involuntary, contracting and relaxing automatically in response to hormones, nerve impulses, or other stimuli. These contractions play a crucial role in various functions like digestion, blood flow regulation, and organ movement.